Hello friends, welcome on my channel Jagdish Chaubey. With this video I am going to start a new series 2 in heat treatment of steel. Prior to this I have already released heat treatment series 1 wherein I have covered basic heat treatment processes. In this video that is HT series 2 part 1, I will be covering various major case hardening processes in steel. So let's see what it contains. So the content is, first of all, flashback, whatever I have covered in heat treatment series 1. See here it is, part 1 to 5, I have covered iron carbide diagram, TTT curves, CCT curves, microstructure, then basic heat treatment processes such as annealing, normalizing, hardening and tempering. It was covered in part 1 to part 5. Then part 6 to 8 I covered concepts of heat treatment like hardenability, quenching and effect of alloying elements. So these things were covered in series 1. My request to you is, if you have not seen these videos, please go through these videos and get the very detailed knowledge about all these processes in series 1. Now in series 2 part 1, what I will be covering basically is, this is an introductory video covering case hardening processes such as carburizing, nitriding, induction hardening and flame hardening. So I will be covering this in this particular part 1 of series 2. Let's move further. First of all, what is the definition? The definition of case hardening is, case hardening or surface hardening treatment is the process of hardening surface of steel parts while allowing the underneath surface soft. It means that it's a heat treatment process or surface hardening process wherein the surface is getting hard but the core will remain soft. Okay, this can be seen from this picture also, where I have seen a broken coconut. You see that the dark brown line is a basically case hardened part which is very hard, but down below that white area is soft. So similar thing happens in this also when you case harden any steel part. The other definition is, case hardening is a material heat treatment process that is used to increase the surface hardness of the steel part. Similar to that coconut example where the surface is very hard to some extent, to some depth. Similar thing happens here also. The surface becomes very hard but the core remains soft. So to get a very high surface hardness, you have to do this case hardening process. See, what are the types of case hardening processes? So first of all is carburizing, then nitriding, then induction hardening and then flame hardening. So I will be covering in this particular part 1 of HT-2 all these carburizing, nitriding, induction hardening and flame hardening processes in detail. Okay. So the next part, that is part 2, that will be coming, will be on carburizing in detail. So I request you to wait for the part 2 on carburizing. Till then, thank you very much. Thanks a lot.